विधानसभा अधिवेशन 11 जुलै ते 12 ऑगस्ट मेरेन आसा. आचारसंहिता लायली जाल्यार विधानसभेचें कामकाज मेकळेपणान करपाक मेळचें ना. ताका लागून वेंचणूक प्रक्रिया पुराय करपाची वेळ 30 दीस म्हणल्यार 12 सप्टेंबर मेरेन मुखार धुकलची. अधिवेशन सोंपतकच 12 ऑगस्टाच्यान आचारसंहिता लागू करपाक दिवची अशी विनवणी ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हाणें गोंय उच्च न्यायालया कडेन केल्या.
Government applied to the court to say that we are going to hold a budget session of the assembly from 11th of August to 11th of July to 12th of August, as a result of which it will be difficult to go ahead with the election for two reasons. One reason is that if the code of conduct is issued by the election commission, in that situation it will be difficult for the budget session to go ahead. This was our submission. Secondly, we requested the court that by your own direction we have a time to hold the election by 12th of August. Now we requested the court that instead of 12th of August we will hold it in September, although we are ready to issue the notification immediately.
The government has sought extension of time of around 30 days on the ground that legislative assembly is fixed and it is a budget session of legislative assembly. Budget is required to be passed. Now the stand of the election commission in this kind of a situation is that yes, we want the elections to be held, but election process and the assembly session cannot go together at the same time, because the machinery which is used, the staff which is used, cannot be is basically the same. So that will become one obstacle. And more than this obstacle, the bigger obstacle is the moment code of conduct comes into force. What will happen is once code of conduct, the government cannot declare schemes, government cannot declare programs. All those restrictions which are covered under code of conduct will come into picture. So it is in view of which both things cannot go together.